Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Perfect English Shorts podcast. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, everyday English.
Hey everyone, I'm David. In this episode, we're going to show you how people use English in daily life, from greeting friends and coworkers to small talk, shopping, and even handling little problems.
That's right. We want you to feel confident speaking English every single day. So let's imagine a typical day, from morning to night, and use English naturally in each situation.
All right, Sarah, let's start with the morning. What's your morning routine like?
I usually wake up around 6:30. The first thing I do is check my phone, which I know is a bad habit. Then I brush my teeth, take a quick shower, and make a cup of coffee.
Oh, same here. I can't start my day without coffee. I usually have toast and eggs for breakfast. Sometimes I listen to a podcast, maybe even this one.
That's a great way to learn English. So, listeners, you can practice by describing your own morning routine in English. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
Exactly. These simple sentences are part of your everyday English foundation.
Okay, let's move on to the workplace. Imagine we're coworkers.
Sure. Let's start a conversation. Morning, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey, David. I'm good, thanks. Just a bit tired. Didn't sleep well last night. How about you?
I'm all right. Pretty busy today. We have that meeting at 10, right?
Yes, and I still need to finish the report before that. Do you want to grab a coffee before the meeting?
Sounds great. Let's go to the cafe downstairs.
Perfect. By the way, did you see the new project plan from the boss?
Yeah, it looks interesting. I think we'll need to work closely with the design team this time.
Exactly. It's going to be a busy week.
That's true, but we've got this.
After work, many people stop by the supermarket or shopping mall. Let's do a quick example.
Sure. I'll be the shop assistant, and you can be the customer.
Okay, let's do it.
Good evening. Can I help you find something?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a nice dress for a party this weekend.
Of course. What color are you looking for?
Maybe something blue or green. Do you have this in medium?
Let me check. Yes, we have a medium in blue. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?
Just over there, on the left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so phrases like, can I help you? I'm looking for, do you have this in medium, are very common when shopping.
Yes, and they make you sound polite and natural in English. Now, let's imagine you're meeting friends at a cafe after work.
Hey, David. Sorry I'm late. Traffic was terrible.
No worries, David. I just got here too. How was your day?
Pretty busy, but I'm glad it's over. What about you?
Same here. I had so many meetings, but now I just want to relax and chat.
Good idea. What are you having?
I'll get an iced latte. What about you?
Maybe a cappuccino. Oh, by the way, have you watched that new show on Netflix?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, it's hilarious. You should check it out.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation. After meeting friends, it's time to go home and relax.
Right. So let's practice some everyday phrases you might use at home.
For example, I'm home. I'm exhausted. I'm going to take a shower. Let's order some food. I'm going to watch a movie.
Exactly. These are things you say every day, so it's great to practice them in English.
Let's do a quick recap of today's useful expressions. Ol, ol, ol. How's it going? I can't start my day without coffee. Do you want to grab a coffee? I'm looking for. Where are the fitting rooms? Sorry, I'm late. I'm going to take a shower.
Perfect summary. Try using at least 3 of these sentences every day, and your English will improve quickly.
Thanks for listening to Perfect English Shorts podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode about everyday English.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and practice speaking out loud.
And remember, the best way to learn English is to use it every day. See you next time.